Hello everyone. It's Maddie and
Madison from Spectrum Art.
And Madison wanted to come on here and share
My unicorn book.
That's right. And this unicorn book was actually a request, right? A requested video from whom?
Ivana.
From her pen pal, Ivana. So shout out to
Ivana.
So her pen pal had asked her what? What did she ask you?
To make a unicorn book.
Right, to make something with unicorns, I think it was, right? And you decided to do a book. So this is the book that Madison created, and she actually made a little list so that she can share with you guys what her process was during the making of the video. So let's go ahead and go through it. What was the first thing that you actually did?
Text, paper, and unicorn.
So you picked out some paper, and it was unicorn paper. That's from, oh, hang on.
Step Up or something?
What was the name of the pack? That's what I'm wondering. Oh, okay, so it was this one. It is Stay Magical. And this was one of the Michaels pads, right? Yeah, it's a hot buy. It's one of the 12 by 12. So it comes with really cute paper. It has unicorns and mermaids in it. So you went through and you picked out your paper. What was the next thing that you did?
Cut them.
You cut them out, right? And the first one that you actually created was the cover, right? Because you wanted to create what?
I guess.
The gusset?
Gusset, yeah.
Right. So she created a gusset so it wouldn't be too puffed up. She knew she wanted to fill it with goodies, so she didn't want it to be, you know, opening up on her. So she created a gusset, and you used the what's that called? The
Bone fold.
The bone folder and the score board thing. And then you went through and you scored it, and then you did what?
Picked the order.
You picked the order in which you wanted the papers to go. So let's go ahead. Can I open it? Oh, let me show them the cover, right? Because we thought this was so funny. So we bought these when? Yesterday. We went ahead and picked these up, and it's perfect. It actually looks like it's the same color, and it actually looks like the tail, the unicorn's tail. So we thought that was so cute. So this is the cover.
The funny thing is,
what's that?
We cut it off.
Yeah, when we trimmed the paper, right? But it actually, now we have a cooler tail on it. So then you went ahead and you picked the order of the papers, and then you went ahead and did what?
Rounded the corners.
You what?
Rounded the corners.
Oh, yes. I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. She went through and rounded the corners because she thought it would look a lot nicer if she went ahead and did that. And then you did what? What did you do next?
Painted. I don't know what they're called.
You did what?
Oxide. White papers.
You oxide the white papers. Oh, you mean the backs? Yes. Okay, so what she did was, because these were single-sided papers, so she went ahead and she decided that she wanted to do, one side was going to be journaling, and the other side was going to be pockets or belly bands, that kind of thing. So she used the same colors, the teals, the purples, the pinks, right, yellows, and she went through and distressed the white sides. Then you did what?
Line papers.
Yes, you created lines.
Sorry.
You created lines so that so it could be used for journaling, right? That was kind of neat. And then what?
Create pocket and bands.
Right. So let's go through it, and can we go through it now and do a flip through?
Sure.
And look at it. Okay, so here's our first one. You have a nice big pocket and a big old journaling card. Another journaling card with a what?
Belly band.
With a belly band, right? Then on this side, she created a little mini book.
Where you put pictures inside.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, that's right. You can either journal, put a picture, maybe phone numbers.
So
Drawing, yep. And tuck it back in there. Very cool. Then the next one is the journaling page and a bookmark. That's very cool.
You can also draw on the other side too.
You could, right? You could take notes. Then on here, it's a tuck spot and another big journaling card.
You can also put your name up there.
Right, and I'm going to show them a little bit later how you created some additional stuff for that, but we'll get to that because I think it's at the end, right? Okay, and then another journaling page and a matchbook
Paper.
Yep, little booklet thing, and then another big journaling card in there. I love the colors, by the way. Absolutely love it. And this is an actual tag that she clipped on there. It's a unicorn, golden, shiny,
Sparkly.
and sparkly tag.
Oh, Madison's.
Mm-hmm.
I like this one because it's very powerful.
The colors, yeah, that purple is really popping. I love it. And I like how big this one is because then you can really write something nice and big on there, right? A story, yeah, that would be, or poems. That would be perfect, Madison. You're right. So then we have another journaling card. And then you went ahead and here's another bookmark, right? I love these little ribbons. These are so cute, Madison. Oh, I like this paper too. That's pretty.
sparkly.
Yeah. No, this one, yeah, it's very shiny. Look at that. Lots of yumminess.
Stress the extra.
Yeah, all the extras you went ahead and went through and distressed them too. This is a side.
At the bottom.
Sparkle. Oh, I will. I'm sorry. Sparkle wherever you go.
So
Absolutely.
she can sparkle with clothes.
That's right? And here is another one of those big ones. It opens up.
And
Then what?
So some signatures.
Right. I went ahead and sewed the signature in for you. And this is what this is what we were talking about. She went ahead and created all of these, and these are so cute because the idea was that these can be used anywhere that you want to go ahead and pop maybe a little quote, so to speak, So,
Or you can write your name like Ivana Meadow and then
right? Or anybody's name, and they can go right on there. So it's a great way to actually label the different pockets and whatnot. So she created quite a few of those, which were super cute. And then we have another big journal.
it's huge, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. That's a big one. A journaling card there. And then what
Yeah.
else?
Tassels for clips and bookmarks.
Right. Oh, sorry.
It's not getting in.
Well, it is going to go in. It's a little tight though, because paper stretches, Madison. So it does take a few times for putting it in and out for it to stretch. But yes, and then you did the tassels and the
Tail.
and the little tail and the bookmarks and stuff. So this is the journal that Madison went ahead and created. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for sharing it with us, Madison.
Thank you, everybody.
All right, and say bye.
Bye-bye.